Have you ever felt fear stop you from chasing your dreams? That heavy knot in your chest, your heart racing, your mind whispering, what if you fail? Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of the unknown. It's like an invisible chain that holds you back. This is the story of a young man named Lucas, who set out into the mountains to discover the secret to defeating fear and met an old man who changed his life forever. Lucas lived in a quiet village at the edge of a vast, dark forest. To others, he seemed confident, but inside, fear controlled him. He hesitated to speak up, avoided challenges, and watched life pass him by. Whenever opportunity knocked, his fear whispered, "You can't do it. What if you fail? What if they laugh?" One evening, tired of regrets, Lucas remembered the tales of an old man who lived deep in the mountains. Known for training young men to be brave and disciplined, determined, Lucas packed a small bag, said goodbye to his family, and ventured into the forest. The path was treacherous. Shadows stretched long. Strange sounds echoed in the trees. Every step made his heart pound harder. Every snapping twig or rustling leaf made him imagine danger. But he whispered to himself, "I cannot let fear rule me. I must find the truth." After hours of walking, Lucas reached a clearing. There, beneath a massive pine, sat the old man. His face was calm, eyes sharp yet kind, his posture strong, his clothes simple, and a wooden staff rested beside him. Lucas bowed. "Sir, I am tired of living in fear. I want to be brave. Please teach me the secret to defeating it." The old man smiled. "Sit, Lucas. Fear is not your enemy. Tonight, you will learn its truth. Not through words, but through experience." As night fell, the forest grew darker. The sounds of animals echoed around them. Lucas felt fear rise again. The old man gestured toward the shadows. "See how darkness makes everything seem dangerous. Fear is the same. It grows when you stay still in the dark. But light reveals the truth. Courage, knowledge, and action are the light." Lucas asked, "But how do I bring this light into my life?" The old man nodded. "By facing fear, you will do 3 tests tonight. Each will teach you that fear exists mostly in your mind." The old man led Lucas to a narrow, rickety bridge across a roaring river. The wood creaked and swayed violently in the wind. Lucas froze. "I could fall. I could die." The old man said calmly, "This is fear speaking. Step carefully, one at a time. You are stronger than you think." Step by step, Lucas crossed. His fear didn't vanish, but it grew quieter. On the other side, he realized the bridge had been less dangerous than he imagined. Back in the clearing, the old man then placed a clay pot before Lucas. Something wriggled inside. "Reach in," he instructed. Lucas hesitated. What if it's a snake? He took a deep breath and plunged his hand in. It was soft, small, a harmless frog. The old man smiled. "Fear punishes twice, once in your imagination, once in reality. Most dangers exist only in your mind." For the final test, the old man led Lucas to a narrow, dark tunnel carved into the side of a hill. The entrance was small, cold, and pitch black inside. Lucas stepped back. "I can't go in there. I can't see anything. What if I get stuck?" The old man said softly, "Fear grows in darkness. But most of the things you're afraid of disappear once you take the first step." Lucas took a deep breath and entered. His heart raced, but he kept moving. Within a few seconds, he saw a light on the other side. He stepped out, amazed. The old man nodded. "See, fear felt big until you walked through it. Most fears are shorter than you imagine." At dawn, Lucas left the forest, still aware of fear, but no longer controlled by it. He had learned the secret. Fear is not to be defeated by running. It is conquered by action, courage, and facing it head on. Fear is not your enemy. It is your teacher. It shows you where your strength lies. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow, to rise, and to step closer to your true self. Stand. Act. Move forward. On the other side of fear lies freedom. So, friend, what fear is standing in your way right now? Is it fear of failure, rejection, or the unknown? Step into it and discover the courage that has always been inside you. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. And for more life-changing stories, subscribe because one story can give you the courage to change your life.